If you never heard of Unlock, do your research. Find out how great it's to work with them. It's easy process. You do everything online. It's convenient. My name is Maritza, and I live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I owned an insurance agency as a self-employer. I needed to do some repairs in my home, and I wanted something to be fast, easy, quick, and convenient. And with Unlock, it was so smooth and easy that all you needed was just fill out an application and they'll do an appraisal, and based on your equity on your home is what you will get qualified for. You don't pay it off until you sell your home. So I figured rather than going to traditional through the bank, that if I take out a loan, I have to make monthly payments as an additional out-of-pocket expense for me. With Unlock, it's not an expense because I don't have to pay it off until I sell the home. So I figured for me, this will be ideal. I want to highlight that the service was great. The response rate was fantastic. They held my hand, explained it to me, how it worked, how to pay it back. I signed a contract on Friday, and by Monday, the money was already in my account. So I recommend it to anybody that needs to get cash from home and don't want to go to a traditional bank. Use Unlock.